Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with the first day of the Halloween collab that I'm participating in. The way that it works is all the people participating in the collab, their links will be down below in the description box, so please make sure that you go and visit them. Every Saturday for the month of September, we will be loading projects, and they could be a variety of projects. We don't have a particular thing we have to make. It just has to be Halloween themed. So there'll be a variety of projects, embellishments, mini albums, cards, could be a variety of things. I'm going to do a variety of things. There's going to be something different every single week. I'll be doing completely different projects. I've already kind of planned out what I'm going to make, so I think it's going to be really, really fun. So for today's project, I'm calling it a faux TP album. So everyone remembers the toilet paper roll albums that we were all making, and I actually used this is the album I made a while ago, years ago. I'm not going to show you all of it, but I made this album using my sister's scrapper tutorial. And if I find this, I'll post it in the description box or in the video so you can watch it. But it's really cute. I actually haven't put pictures in it. It's been sitting on my cabinet because I really, really like how it came out. And so it does give it a lot of stability to use the toilet paper albums, toilet paper rolls. And, you know, I might go back and make one with the rolls because it is very sturdy. It makes a very, very cute album, and it's sort of lasted the test of time pretty well, actually, considering I actually did a little pocket in the back. It's really cute. So I'll put that back where it goes because it's been sitting there forever. So this is my faux album because I actually didn't use toilet paper rolls. I just used the printed cardstock and kind of made my little faux pockets. So the front I kept really simple. I'm using the Doodle Bug paper that I hauled from Tuesday morning. And in that pack, you got a sticker sheet and I think 6 sheets of paper. So super cute paper. And so with that paper, I've made a layout, which won't be posted until October because it's for another challenge. I made this album. I have another project that I'm going to be posting that I'm making with it. And I'm going to be doing something else with the leftover sheets, which this is leftover sheets. So it made a lot of things with that one pack. And I think it was $4.99. So for $5, I'm going to make a lot of projects. So I use, you know, this is my sister's scrapper tutorial. I actually didn't watch the tutorial again. I just kind of measured out my old one. It measures, for anyone who's interested in knowing this, 6 1/4 by 3 1/4. And I just use this funky black trim that I have in my stash and a magnet, which is not sticking very well. I'm going to have to put glue on that. I was trying to avoid putting glue on it. But yeah, it's a magnet. So the magnets I'm using are very strong, so that may be why it popped up. So I just use magnets here to close it, and I'm going to have to adhere that a little bit better. But anyway, here are my pockets. I did 6 pockets, and so each pocket just has this ribbon tied off with some orange twine. So this paper has got like a velvet. The stars are like velvet, so it's pretty cool. So here's that one, just pretty simple. You can see how cute the paper is. This one, I basically just took a sticker, mounted on some black cardstock, and then it's not completely adhered down, so you could put a picture or something underneath it. Then here, I kind of cut down the cut-aparts. And then this paper that came in the collection has glitter on it. And this one is another sticker that I just put on some cardstock and stuck down, and it's not adhered all the way, so you can put something down in there. And then here's this side right here. And I don't want to cover up this paper because it's so cute. This pocket's a little tight. And then this one is a pocket. So this one's a little tight, so we'll see if I can, I had to like finagle it a little bit to get it in there. It's a little tight. And then this one, I just put the cut apart on there just to give it a little something. And then this is adhered down, so you have a little place for journaling or like an Instax picture or something small. And of course, you have places on the back for your pictures. This is a pocket and a journaling spot. And then this also is a journaling area. This is a pocket. So you can do a lot with these little tiny albums. I do have one that's filled out, but it's way in the other room. So, but you can definitely fill these. And then I just put like a little journaling card here with a sticker right there. You can write the date there if you'd like. And then it's tall enough that when you close it, you know, the ribbon gets a little squished, but not much, but it doesn't squish any of the tags. It has plenty of room for that. So that's my project. It's a really simple project to make. It doesn't use very much paper at all. Trust me on that. Oh, I did cheat a tiny bit because I used this SEI paper that I had out anyways. I used some of that to help line the inside of this, just because I didn't have enough. I mean, I could have used this, but I didn't know I was going to have enough paper. I was really concerned. So I did use that other paper, but in theory, it uses very little paper and it makes a really cute project. So something new to try. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Create the Heart.